bitterly cold where I am today. I just want to go to the Morrisons to get some few little bits so I can put with my meals preparation for the coming week. And whilst I'm not too well, you may be able to see my eyes look a bit puffy and I can do with more rest. But when you live on your own, you have to kind of take the rough with the smooth, and you have to kind of do what you can do while you can do it and make the best out of the situation that one has. But you'll see from my video, my weekend video, what I do this weekend, the first weekend in March. And happy Saturday everyone. Take time for yourself as well as stay safe, and I'll be with you shortly. Bye for now. Hello lovely people, I'm back again now after a manic morning. Went to the Morrisons in the United Kingdom. First time after my myomectomy surgery within 1.5 years, and I've got some lovely deals which I'll show you in the shopping haul in the video. But yeah, got some lovely food, and I just want to say, whilst it was a manic and a little bit of distressing morning because they had a lot of roundabouts on the route that the Morrison was at, but thank God for Google Maps. It was absolutely amazing, and it's absolutely amazing. Kudos to Google Maps. But yeah, I forgot my bag, so I have to go upstairs, get a bag, pack my shopping, come back and bring it back upstairs again and unpack. So a little bit of a menial or a longer task, shall I say, but onwards and upwards for the possibilities, friends, and let's go and recreate a pub grub. So come inside with me. Bye for now.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep